Alright, well, we're got the water truck started, or we're working on getting it started. So, we're cycling the glow plugs right now. It's a little chilly out and this thing, it was not plugged in. That's cold natured. Sorry, I'm not really feeling under the weather, but kinda got like a tickle in my throat today. But plan is we gotta go haul a little bit of water this morning. We gotta go haul one load to a cistern. Haul that, and let's see if this old girl starts. Come on, Betsy. No, I don't think so. Alright, give me a second before this thing goes dead. Alright, well, we got her. Nothing a little diesel crack won't fix in the morning when it's cold. AKA starting fluid. Got the fluids checked. So we'll get this hood locked down. But today's gonna be a little bit different one. We're gonna do a little bit of everything. We got haul water. Then we got to go to the cabin and we're doing some carpet cleaning and and framing up a little side concrete pad that we're gonna pour next week. And what else we got? Oh, we gotta take care of a hot tub that we purged. So let me dig through the work bag here. Their tags are expired on the water truck, so I've got a new one. So I'm gonna get that taken care of. Catch up with you guys here in a few. Alright, well, we're heading in town. We're gonna get Clayton. And then we gotta get some quarters so we can get water. And then we gotta get fuel as well. So I have to locate down fuel and quarters, I'm sure, because fuel's real scarce right now for some reason. I believe it's like the 11th, 12th, or 13th of November, somewhere in that time frame. I believe it's 11. The whole girl's running great. I haven't driven her in a few weeks, so she's always itching to go for a drive. So, alright, catch up with you guys here in a few. Alright, well, we're here at the water plant. This is how this system works. So we got 500 gallons transferred. We still got 1,400 left. You either have a PIN number here or you just dispense quarters. And that's how it comes out. We got an air gap on this one already. The thing that sucks about this one is we have some contractors in town right now doing road work and underground boring. They got huge tanks on their trucks and they don't respect our water plant. So our whole kit and caboodle, it's probably hard to tell, is bent. And then that forced the water plant to kick the pressure way down. We've probably been here 5 minutes or so, and we've only transferred 648 gallons. And usually with this new plant, because we just got a new plant here in our hometown last year, it will transfer we can fill our 2,000 gallon tank in about 10 minutes, so that tells you anything. So that's what we're doing right now, is we're waiting on water to fill. Alright, so we made it. We got pump on, everything's running. Clayton's down there holding it in the cistern. Yes, we could have backed down all the way down through here, but this is a tight drive. What's the extra 5 minutes to string out the 50-foot run flat and not risk falling off the side or whatnot. Yes, I could fit down through here. I've done it plenty of times. It's wet, there's a bunch of leaves. I just don't want to take a chance. And it sucks because we're running the run flat and we're not running all hard hose, because the run flats, see, they kink like that, so they decrease the volume. But Clayton's got it pretty, we got it pretty straightened out really, so there shouldn't be no slowdowns. And it's cold, and these hard hoses suck when it's cold. But this is kind of how it goes. So this is all 3-inch setup. I got a video, a couple videos on my channel putting this all together. So yeah, plus it sucks because now we gotta go back and re-winterize it. But oh well, I charged the cistern people that I haul water for in the winter like $5 to re-winterize, because it don't take but 2 seconds to pull the plug and then dump some RV antifreeze in there. So yeah, but that's what we're doing right now. Well, the tank is pretty much empty. What's left in there, should we say. So now we gotta drain the thing. Go ahead and just pull it out. Put the lid on it. Stretch that hose down the hill so it'll drain. So now that we got that done, sorry, this thing's probably gonna shake all the get out. This truck's still running. I need to see if I can get this drain plug off. Oh God. Yep, sure can. So we're gonna take the drain out here. Probably get soaked. We'll leave that out on the way back to the house to drop this thing off, so it'll just drain everything down and do a little better for draining the pump down. So we're gonna get cleaned up here. All right, well, we're here at the hot tub area, and hot tub area, yeah, right. No, the hot tub that we had to drain and refill because we purged it. I stopped by and purged it yesterday. We got it drained for quite a few hours later than when we picked up last. We had other stuff we had to do and I just hadn't picked up. But we got the tub filling back up. Oh, you can't hear them no more. They're gone, but there's an airplane in the area that is cutting power line right away. So these are some new cabins we just took over. I love the view of the pond. Pond looks like it's down a good bit right now. I wonder if it's got a leak or something. But so this tub we purged. What we did, we put chemicals in it to clean out all the jets, and it'll leave scum lines like this. Grab that rag back out of there and clean that scum line off. Thought we got them all. And then you gotta dump the water and refill it. So that's what we did, and now we're just sitting around waiting on water to fill. It's kind of like watching paint to dry. But at least this garden hose has got some good pressure behind it, so shouldn't take that long. Probably another half hour, 45 minutes. So we will catch up with you guys then. Alright guys, sorry about this. This is my new GoPro, and this is the first glitch I think I seem to come across. I lost all my audio. I don't know if it's media mod or what. I had this problem all the time with my Hero 8 and the media mod, to the point that I just quit using the media mod altogether, quit having the audio problems. So This is the first video I've come back to edit and found some problems. It's definitely not a heat problem because it's freezing out today. So yeah, sorry about that. We're sitting here gonna throw some chemicals in this tub and get it ready. Alright guys, well, it turns out I got a bunch of other clips. This was spread out through a couple days here, so you're going to see us getting a load of gravel, and we're going to go put it at this pad, and I totally lost the footage for that. And then you're going to see us start doing some pouring. I'm going to just throw a couple little clips in there because I don't think I can make much of it work, but then the audio decides to come back at some point. So I have no clue what's going on with this thing. Media mods just drive me absolutely bonkers at this point. Brand new camera, brand new media mod. Same problem I always have. I don't know if I am doing something wrong on them. I have contacted GoPro support. I don't know, but I am really, really sorry. So we'll just throw some music in and we'll get this stuff done. Alright, well, we got her all poured. We ran it over it a couple times with the float. Now it's just kind of the waiting game. It's setting up real slow because it's so cold out. But thank goodness the kind of got a little bit of a breeze. So yeah, hopefully here in about an hour we can run the float over it one more time and it'll be ready for broom and we can be out of here. We'll catch up with you guys then. Alright, well, we got her all done. The broom finish does turn out a little rougher when you're doing sackcrete versus it coming out of a truck. No matter how hard you try or how long you wait, it's always going to pull so much cream up. I don't really know the answer to it, but I know I can jump on a truck concrete and I don't pull hardly any cream up. But if I do the sackcrete, I pull all kinds of cream. But that's gonna finally wrap up this video. This thing has drug out and drug out and drug out. I am sorry that it's just kind of been all over the place. I think we did filled a cistern, we purged the hot tub, and now we're doing some concrete. So it's a little bit of a mix of everything, but hey, that's just kind of how it goes. So we'll do better next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we will catch you on the next one.